record this session કારણ કે એનું કનેક્ટ નથી થતું, બીજા કોઈનું પણ કનેક્ટ નહીં થતું હોય તો કદાચ જરૂર પડે recording this session. Okay. So guys, we will start chapter number 3, lesson number 3, coordinate geometry. And this chapter is all about placing the point, placing the position of different points. Guys, you must have learned how to represent any number on number line. Sikela ne?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to use two number lines together. One is horizontal and other is vertical. So if you look at this horizontal line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's the number line in which we put 0 exactly at the center and positive numbers on the right hand side. ખબર છે ને આ બધી વસ્તુ તો?
Yes, sir.
While numbers are written on the left hand side.
Left hand side.
Similarly, as here in coordinate geometry, we will call this horizontal line as x-axis, and we will call this vertical line as y-axis. Okay, so there are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. Horizontal is x, vertical is y. Now, therefore, this is called xy plane. XY plane, or it is called coordinate plane. In this plane, vertical y-axis can be written as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the numbers which you can write above the x-axis, while below the axis you will have to write down the negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7, whatever the length is. જ્યાં સુધી હોય ત્યાં સુધી નંબર લખવાના. While 0 coincides, the 0 of x-axis and 0 of y-axis coincide. मतलब x-axis तो 0 જ્યાં આવે તે જ જગ્યાએ y-axis તો પણ 0 આવે. That is why it is called origin. શું કહેવાય એને?
Origin.
Because બધા નંબર આ બાજુ ઓરિજિનેટ થાય, ઓરિજિનેટ તો એટલે ત્યાંથી જ શરૂઆત થાય. All ray originates from this place. That's why center is called origin, and origin is always represented by O. O for origin. Here x-axis and y-axis divide the entire plane. આખું plane કહેવાય. It's a horizontal. X-axis and y-axis divide the horizontal plane into how many segments? કેટલા પાર્ટમાં ડિવાઇડ કરે?
4.
Divides it into 4 equal parts. Yes. દેખાય છે તમને બરાબર બોર્ડ પર?
Yes, sir. દેખાય છે.
So how many parts this plane divide the x-axis? X-axis and y-axis divide the plane into how many segments?
4.
4 segment માં ડિવાઇડ કરે. હવે આના નામ પાડીએ. ચલો આપણે ફોઈ બની જઈએ. Let us give some name to all parts, each part of this. This part is called, each one of them is called quadrant. કે quadrant એટલે 4 થાય, quadrant. This part is known as quadrant, and this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third and fourth. So there are 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So even it is in anti-clockwise direction. If you can see, it goes in anti-clockwise direction like this. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 4. Now you guys must be familiar with quadrant. So we learned 5 things 6 so far. One is quadrant, second is origin, third is x-axis, fourth is y-axis,
Y-axis.
and the name of the plane is xy plane.
XY plane.
So will you be able to recognize all quadrants, the x-axis, y-axis, origin, and plane?
Yes.
Someone asks you which plane is it? So it is xy plane. Where is origin? This is origin.
Middle.
When someone says where is x-axis, here's the x-axis. If someone asks you where is y-axis,
Vertical.
where is quadrant 3, third quadrant? There it is. So it goes anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you must be familiar with these planes. This plane, this quadrant. Now we will learn something else. कुछ और भी सीखेंगे. क्या सीखेंगे कि हम अलग-अलग नंबर्स को इसके ऊपर कैसे प्लेस कर सकते हैं. There are many points actually on this plane, and all points have some address. Let me tell you. If I am putting a point over here, it has some address. If someone asks you about your address, हमने कोई पूछे, अगर आपको कोई पूछता है कि भाई आपका घर का एड्रेस कौन सा है, तो आप कैसे बताएंगे? You will say that you go straight, then there will be a temple. From that temple, you just move right or left or whatever are the directions of your home. You will give some directions related to that. So here we will represent or we will give directions of all the points with respect to origin. कोना रेफरेंस में किसके रेफरेंस में देंगे हम लोग सारे डेस्टिनेशन?
Origin.
ये रहा हमारा ओरिजिन. तो ओरिजिन से ये साइड में मतलब एक्स एक्सिस में कितना डिस्टेंस है इसका? 2. और वाई में मतलब ऊपर कितना गया है? तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ कितना गया है. ठीक है.
1.
तो आपको क्या देखना है? ये वाले अगर मैं इस पॉइंट का नाम P रखूं, तो the coordinates of point P will be 2, 1.
1.
These are called coordinates. This is x coordinate. Since it comes from x-axis, it is called x coordinate. And the second one comes from y coordinate. Therefore, that y-axis. Therefore, it is called y coordinate.
Y coordinate.
So the first one is called x coordinate. Second one is called y.
Y coordinate.
Y coordinate.
Order which needs to be followed, that हमेशा हमको पहला वाला जो है वो x ही लेना है और दूसरा वाला हमेशा y ही लेना है.
Y.
इसका उल्टा आप नहीं कर सकते. रिवर्स दिस. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in x-axis there are 2 coordinates, two distance we need to move on, and in y-axis 1 distance. So this is the address of 2, 1. Okay, it is read as 1. What if I put a point over here? What will be the coordinates of this point Q?
X is equal to -3 and y is equal to 2.
X is equal to minus P.
3 and y is equal to 2.
Okay. This will be, you cannot say x is equal to something and y is equal to something. You'll have to say -3, -2.
Comma 2.
Comma 2.
That should be your answer. -3, 2.
2.
2.
Okay. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What if I take a point over here and name it as R? What will be the coordinate of point R?
-4, comma -2.
4 comma minus 2, because you need to write down the x coordinate first and then y coordinate. x coordinate x axis में होता है और y coordinate y axis में होता है.
Y-axis.
पहले आपको ये you cannot write this as -2 comma 4. -2 comma 4 कहाँ पर आता है? चलो बताइए मेरे को. -4 2 comma 4 कहाँ पर आएगा? ये आएगा -2
Yeah.
comma 4 यहाँ पर आएगा.
नहीं सर, नीचे साइड आओ सर, माइनस.
Saying -2 comma 4. अच्छा, -2 comma -4 if you want to write, -2 comma -4 will be exactly at the bottom of this. It will be in third quadrant. -4 -2 comma -4. While this point is called -4 comma -4. So you cannot alter this number. It must be very clear. If you alter this, the position of the point will change. अगर आप ये दोनों को नंबर को ऐसे उलट सुलट कर देते हो तो उसकी पोजीशन, ये पॉइंट की पोजीशन पूरी चेंज हो जाएगी. आपका एड्रेस पूरा चेंज हो जाएगा और गलत एड्रेस देने से कोई बात बनती नहीं है. तो आपको क्या करना है, ये नंबर सही से लिखना है. अगर आपने पहला वाला अगर y कोऑर्डिनेट लिख दिया तो सारा गलत हो जाएगा. So what you need to do is write the x coordinate first and then the
And then
y.
Y-coordinate.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I think you guys will take care of this. If I place a point right here, what will be the coordinate of this point?
5, comma -5.
5, comma -4.
So first you will have to look about x-axis
5.
and then this. So it is 5 comma -4.
4.
Very good. So एक चीज आपको पता चल जानी चाहिए अभी तक में. क्या पता चलनी चाहिए? कोऑर्डिनेट्स. कहाँ पर कोऑर्डिनेट आता है? अगर ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आता है तो उसके दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव आएंगे. देखते हैं आपको. पॉजिटिव. If the number lies over here in second quadrant, then its vertex
Minus.
coordinates will be somewhat like this. Coordinates will have minus and plus. And if the point lies in third quadrant, then it will have both the coordinates negative.
Both negative.
The coordinates will be negative. In fourth quadrant, what can you say about this?
One negative and one is positive.
Okay.
Well, 1 is positive and
First
1
is
is negative.
positive and
1 is negative.
X is
if you
positive.
alter the sign minus plus, so minus plus will come over here. So you will have to think like this. First you need to think about x-axis और दूसरी बार y-axis के बारे में सोचना है. अगर मैं बोलूं प्लस प्लस तो आपको सोचना है प्लस प्लस means first quadrant. If someone asks you minus plus, तो आपको देखना है x एक्सिस में माइनस कहां पर आएगा? यहाँ पर. पहले x ही देखना है. माइनस प्लस, तो ये वाली साइड कौन सी आएगी? This will be second quadrant. And someone asks you negative negative, so x में पहले देखना है माइनस इधर आएगा और y एक्सिस में माइनस नीचे आएगा. So left, down, right? Yeah, you can say that it is south west direction. South west दोनों है. ठीक है. अगर इसकी बात करूं, अगर कोई पोज बोलता है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, तो पहले पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस में मींस इट इज इन दिस साइड, फिर ऊपर जाना है कि नीचे जाना है, तो नेगेटिव है तो क्या हम कहां जाना है, नीचे जाना है, तो प्लस माइनस विल बी ओवर हियर। आई बात समझ में? So just
Yes,
by
sir.
looking at the sign of coordinates, we can say or we can judge exactly when the point is going to be on this plane. We can exactly pinpoint that point where it can be, either it is in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. We have named all the quadrants, but we haven't said what is first quadrant, what is x quadrant. So x first quadrant is the region, interior region, I can say interior region of angle XOY, I can say. The x-axis can be represented as x dash. Y-axis can be written as y.
Y dash.
So if I want to label this first quadrant, it can be represented as region, interior region of the angle XOY. And if someone asks you to define or represent second quadrant using an angle, so it will be interior region of angle X dash O Y dash.
Oh, wow.
O Y. Right? Similarly, for third quadrant, it will be
X dash O Y dash.
fine. So I will, if this time goes off, so I will send another link. Okay, you'll have to join. And this will be
X O Y dash.
Y dash.
Y dash.
now I will remove everything and I'll ask you something. I'll remove everything. अगर मैं ये सारी चीजें निकाल दूं और आपको सिर्फ एंगल लिखूं, तो एंगल पे से आप लोग बोल सकते हैं कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट है कि नहीं बोल सकते?
बोल सकते।
Okay, angle X O Y dash. Think about it and then speak.
4.
4
X O Y dash.
O Y dash.
It's going to X O Y.
First.
X O Y. आवाज आवाज प्लीज keep it off. डिस्टॉर्शन नहीं आવું જોઈએ, તમે બોલો તો ચાલે, but अगर कोई डिस्टॉर्शन आता है तो that's not fair enough. Y dash O X, sorry, X dash O Y.
Second.
X dash O Y, ऊपर dash O Y, तो ये वाला आएगा, ये वाला आएगा X dash O Y. And if someone asks you like this, X dash O Y dash,
Third.
X dash O Y dash. तो आपको ऑर्डर भी नहीं भूलना, ये वाला चलेगा ऑर्डर 1 2 3 4 ऐसे चलेगा, ठीक है? अभी मैं अगर आपको साइन लिखूं, सिर्फ साइन लिखूंगा और उसके ऊपर से आपको क्वाड्रेंट जज करना है, आप कर पाओगे कि नहीं देखते हैं. So I'll just write down the sign of it, say plus minus.
Fourth.
प्लस माइनस आपको ऐसे देखना है, आपको देखना कैसा है, प्लस माइनस, इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा आएगा, ये भी आएगा, ठीक है?
Fourth.
प्लस प्लस
First.
तो आपको कैसे सोचना है, प्लस यहाँ पर आएगा
Plus.
और y एक्सिस प्लस कहाँ पर आएगा, ऊपर आएगा, तो ये वाला हो गया.
ऊपर.
And if someone asks you minus comma minus, then
Third.
x एक्सिस में यहाँ पर
ऊपर,
और y एक्सिस में
y axis नीचे,
and the rest is minus comma plus.
second,
x में minus
ऊपर plus,
plus.
y axis.
तो सबको समझ में आ गया? दिशा हो चाहे अजील हो चाहे अर्पिता, इज अर्पिता देयर? अर्पिता ठक्कर?
Yes, sir.
ओके अर्पिता बेटा समझ आवे છે તમને? સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, thank you. So Jainam, is everything clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now I will put some numbers now, and you'll have to judge the quadrant. You'll have to judge the position. Okay. So first I will write down -2 comma minus.
Third.
-2 comma 3.
Second,
Okay, I will note down your answers and then we will verify. 3 comma minus 2.
Fourth.
first,
Now I am changing my gears. I will go a little higher. -2.5 comma minus 7.9. Now you will be tested.
Third.
Oh, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Very good. You will just have to focus on sign. You don't have to worry about the numbers. It may be whole number, it may be integer, it may be factor, it may be whatever. If someone asks you things like 2/7, comma x is 2 cube minus 2 cube, then
minus,
Second.
second,
Fourth.
so in all these numbers, all what you need to do is you will just have to focus on the signs. Basically, this is minus comma minus, minus plus, plus minus. Number doesn't matter. As far as quadrants are concerned, quadrant जहां तक quadrant की बात है, तो आपको ये साइन ही देखना है, आपको ये नंबर के बारे में सोचना नहीं है, कौन सा भी नंबर हो चलेगा। अगर यहाँ पर पाई लिखेंगे तो उसको भी बाय बाय बोल दो, तेरा कोई काम नहीं अभी, ठीक है। सो एज फार एज क्वाड्रेंट्स वी नीड टू डिसाइड द क्वाड्रेंट्स, उसका कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं। जैसे कि हम लोग जज करेंगे यार आंसर इज राइट और नॉट। अगर हम इसके बारे में बात करें -2 -3, तो माइनस यहाँ पर एक्स एक्सिस में पहले देखना है, फिर वाई एक्सिस में भी माइनस देखना है, तो आपको पता चलेगा 1 2 3 थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तो इट इज राइट, यू आर राइट। से -2 3, तो आपको पहले सोचना है एक्स एक्सिस में माइनस यहाँ पर आएगा, फिर वाई में प्लस जाना है, मतलब ऊपर जाना है, तो 1 2 इट इज सेकंड, अगेन यू आर राइट। दिस प्लस कॉमा -2, तो आपको +3 कहां पर मिलेगा? एक्स एक्सिस में, मतलब इधर मिलेगा। फिर -2 कहां जाएगा? नीचे जाएगा,
नीचे,
तो आपका ये क्वाड्रेंट कौन सा हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट।
fourth quadrant,
If you look at this, it will be positive, positive, so positive on x,
right,
y,
x, positive on y,
again negative, negative, minus, minus,
minus,
first quadrant. And here someone got confused over here. I don't want to name him or her, but someone got confused over here. Just look at this: positive, negative, positive, negative.
negative.
So I think these sums are extremely easy, and each one of you can easily judge the coordinate or quadrant on the basis of coordinate. This entire system was given by Descartes. Descartes. That's why this plane is also called Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. XY plane is also called Cartesian,
Cartesian plane.
and these coordinates are called Cartesian coordinates. Among them, first one is called X coordinate, and second one is called Y coordinate. But there are some other names as well. There are some other names as well. Say, for example, if I write x comma y, or if I write 2 comma 3, the first one is called x coordinate, while the other is called y coordinate. That's so easy to remember. But there are some other names as well. Say, for example, the first one is called abscissa, and second one is called ordinate. Okay, better I teach you this in textbook. I will share my textbook with you. I'll share my textbook with you. Just look at this. Sharing screen. You will be able to see my screen. You'll be able to see my screen now. Can you see? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't make any kind of annotation right now. किसी को भी कुछ भी स्क्रीन के ऊपर लिखना नहीं है. कुछ भी नहीं, nothing. कुछ भी लिखना नहीं है स्क्रीन के ऊपर. Now, let me start this chapter.